welcome to 2023. But the year ahead looks set to be even more dramatic with the arrival of desert skyscrapers, incredible Formula One tracks, and entire new city districts. The world's greatest industry is about to pull off even more amazing feats. Here are 10 of the most exciting construction projects completing this year. But before you start, please subscribe to the channel and share the video. This video must reach 100,000 likes. Number 1. Toranomon-Azabudai District. Let's kick off in Tokyo, where something huge is emerging from the concrete jungle. The Toranomon-Azabudai District, a new superdevelopment in the bustling business area of Minato. The goal is to create a city within a city with 3 enormous, mixed-use towers and a public space landscaped by Thomas Heatherwick. In 2022, the main tower, snappily named the Main Tower, topped out at 325 meters, and simultaneously became both Japan's tallest building and Tokyo's first supertall skyscraper. While it's common for skyscrapers to taper in towards their top, this structure keeps its huge floor plate most of the way up the building. Tokyo is in a seismic zone, and the building is so strong that it's designed to be a safe shelter to flee to. Number 2. Tun Razak Exchange. The Tun Razak Exchange is a hugely ambitious 70-acre district filled with some 2.5 square feet of office space, a 2 square foot mall, and nearly 4,000 homes. The project was hit hard by COVID, and Malaysia's strict movement control order added large delays to much of the construction. Nevertheless, in 2022, the Exchange 106, Southeast Asia's tallest building, was completed, and it's set to be joined by 2 huge residential blocks in 2023. Number 3. Aquatic Tower. Work began in 2019 and it topped out in 2021 at 393 meters, making it Africa's tallest building and its first super tall skyscraper. It's being built as the centerpiece of the business district of Egypt's new administrative capital. When the tower opens in 2023, it'll be one of 20 proposed skyscrapers in the district, which are being built at an estimated cost of USD $3 BN. Number 4. 38 Exhibition Street. Joining the 2 towers together is one of the most elaborate skybridges we've ever seen. Now, skybridges are nothing new, but they are becoming an increasingly elaborate way of making skyscrapers stand out from a very tall crowd. At 38 Exhibition Street, an elaborate gold-trimmed skybridge will join a residential tower with a hotel tower at the 46th floor and create access between the two. To get to this stage, the golden skybridge started off with wooden planks and a very strong stomach. A plywood deck was initially laid out using a cantilever from the shorter of the 2 buildings. Once in place, steel tendons were fitted between the 2 towers and a concrete slab was poured. A roof was then fitted between, creating the effect of a ribbon wrapping around 1 floor of the apartment building and 2 floors of the hotel. One side of the roof has been fitted with a movement joint to allow the bridge to flex. This provides stability to the 2 towers during seismic tremors and strong wind. Number 5. 4 Frankfurt. In Frankfurt, Europe's new skyscraper capital, a new development is seeing 4 new towers built, aptly named 4 Frankfurt. It sits between the 2 and is creating a mixed-use neighborhood with offices, a hotel, and residential apartments split between its towers. Each of the 4 skyscrapers turns away from the others at strategic points to maximize sunlight and to create more views for each tower, adding to the complexity. Each structure needs a different configuration of toilets, drainage pipes, and columns, but the team seems to have pulled it off and remains on schedule to complete in 2023. Number 6. Trin Maya. Big infrastructure comes with big benefits. Railway being constructed to connect major tourist sites with coastal cities and airports. All in all, it's a great way to further develop an invaluable sector of Mexico's economy. That may be true, but the land it's going through is heavily contested and largely covered with jungle. That's prompted loads of legal fights and delays, but still the project is on track to open in December 2023. The economic benefits of the train will most likely put to rest any concerns about its cost. Number 7. Las Vegas Grand Prix. This year we'll see the inaugural Las Vegas Formula One Grand Prix. That's right, in November 2023 we'll see some of the fastest cars in the world race down Las Vegas' iconic strip. The 6.12-kilometer route will take drivers around 17 corners, a chicane, and 3 high-speed straights, allowing them to reach speeds of up to 212 miles per hour. Safety is key, and one of the most important jobs for construction crews is to keep the high-speed action well and truly on the racetrack. To do this, 4,000 concrete barriers are being constructed, each containing over 3.5 tons of reinforced concrete. Traffic in Las Vegas is no worse than many other major cities, but for a few days later this year you can guarantee this will be one place with no traffic jams. Number 8. MSG Sphere. MSG Sphere at over 100 meters tall and nearly 160 meters wide. It's the largest spherical structure on Earth. This absolute beast is made up of 4 concrete cores tied together with reinforced steel. On top of that, a series of tension ring beams were fitted, helping make up the 11,000-ton roof. But, surprise, surprise, building a 19,000 x 13,500 pixel curved cinema screen is not easy. Due to supply chain issues and inflation, it was recently reported that the cost of the Sphere had ballooned to nearly $2.20 BN. Number 9. World Abu Dhabi. The UAE already boasts the world's tallest building, but very soon it will also have the world's biggest aquarium. When it opens later in 2023, World Abu Dhabi will host over 150 species of marine life and 58 million liters of artificial ocean, which you'll be able to see with views like the Endless Vista, a 20-meter-high window into the aquarium stretching over several levels. Just the right level of natural light will be allowed into the tanks to support marine life without preventing algae growth. Number 10. Aquatic Center. It's one of the most prestigious sporting events a country can host, and also one of the most expensive. But all that is about to change with the Paris 2024 Olympics, where sustainability is high on the agenda. The Aquatic Center is set complete in 2023 and, amazingly, it's the only permanent building constructed for these games. Energy use is being carefully monitored, and the roof is being constructed at the minimum permitted height while still enabling sight lines from the stands. The idea there is to create a smaller space which requires less heating. 90% of the building's energy needs will be met from renewable or recovered sources, and around a quarter of that from the roof alone. In your opinion, which of these projects will be the best in 2023? Share your opinion in the comments. And we come to the end of the video. Don't forget to share the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you next video. God protect you.